The prime vector of this control and manipulation, the source of the illusion, is the mass media, be it electronic, be it television or radio. It doesn't matter. Print media, the imagery. Every time you pick up a popular magazine and look at the images, the false lifestyle that you're supposed to aspire to, all those things, all the symbols, all the status, you are being programmed. You are being programmed. You are being programmed. We know what television does. It puts people in a trance, and when they are in that trance, you can no longer make any judgment on what's going in. It just pours right into your subconscious. TV is the most violent, ruthless manipulators of them all.
You don't need to watch TV tonight.